that's the story of humans connecting.
Oh my God.
You're so weird.
Guys, why don't we tell the story about the twins who went missing?
Are you sure?
You said you know the story.
I said I think I did. Okay. Anyways, I had this. They were in a hotel when a lift caught their eye. They went inside the lift because they were children and they didn't know any better. But when they went into the lift and pressed the up button, it suddenly stopped and started going down. They could not stop it. The button, they tried to stop pressing the button. It was not working, and then they just fell. Heads cracked and everything.
Absolutely not. The true story was that they're in a hotel. But what actually happened is that they were playing because they were left alone and they saw a doll, a really creepy doll. And then they decided to go and touch it and play with it. And it told them, come and play with us, in a really spooky voice. And they obeyed it, being children, and they went and touched it. And both of them were possessed. And they started to shake and fell on the floor dead. And that's the true story.
No. Last I heard was definitely the right story. They wandered into the woods, they got lost and met this strange ghost-like creature that ripped off their mangled arms.
That's super fake. They were in an alleyway and a vampire appeared out of nowhere. They were hacked to death until there was nothing but a miserable pile of skin and bone. But some say now that that same vampire still lurks the alleyways.
These stories are so that I know what actually happened. Her name was the Woman in White. She lost her kids, and now she looks for them wherever she goes, luring them to their death with an amber ring, that when they touch it, they vanish into thin air and die a painful death, never to be seen again.
Well, how about we do, like, I don't know, a dumb seance or something to test how they really died? That would be interesting.
Don't worry, I'll be safe.
What if we see a ghost? That'd be so cool.
Yeah. Okay, I'll do you each one card. Don't look at it yet. And okay, 3, 2, 1. They're all clubs, but it's bad luck.
Hope this goes
Okay, hope this goes well. 3, 2, 1. This is the sound I'll put in your head. Will we soon be dead?
What's happening? What's happening? The hell? What's happening?
This is the sound I'll put in your brain, for you shall enter a world of pain.